Delta Building Systems, your experts in design, construction, and maintenance for all commercial and industrial projects, big and small. Managing every small detail of your new construction project, along with communicating those details to everyone involved, can lead to mountains of paperwork, late nights, and confusion. This is where Delta Building Systems excels. We take care of all of this for you. We built our company around an agile team of experts who are ready to provide you with a full-service experience, starting from an idea, all the way to a robust, fully functioning space for your business venture. As an unlimited licensed general contractor, we are enabled to work on every aspect of your project and can quickly and effectively respond to any changing developments that may arise during construction. Whether you're looking to expand or start your new project in an industrial or commercial setting, Delta Building Systems has the expertise and experience to tackle any project timeline and budget with fair and transparent pricing. Using only the finest building materials, concrete and fabricated steel, our team can quickly and safely get your project up and running in no time. The durable and highly customizable nature of prefabricated structures allows you unparalleled amounts of personalized control over your new space. Our team will effectively construct and support your new project with secure foundations, footers, and approach ramps for any of your industrial and commercial needs, allowing you to expand and take your production to new heights. When you partner with us to realize your vision, we can guarantee the full efficiency and life of your new building. Our team can supply you with proactive maintenance and preventative measures that will ensure you are running at peak efficiency for years to come. At Delta Building Systems, we are helping to construct commercial business communities and industries. Delta Building Systems, committed to integrity, efficiency, and attention to detail.